Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna try NISHMAN Matte Clay M2. Stay tuned for more tips.
Swing open low. Come close to midnight. He'll fade me down.
NISHMAN M2 Matte Clay, it will give you a thick texture with a modern hairstyle looking, which it will hold throughout the whole day with a medium shine. NISHMAN M2.
So long forgotten after you. Now would you break me for you twist the knife? Yeah, would you take my hand and take a life? I'm too damn young to give up on the light. I'm used to the darkness. I'm used to the darkness. Hey!
Thank you for choosing NISHMAN products and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.